Hey, it's Alex with Trinity Roofing and Construction. I'm out here at your property at Bordeaux Drive in McKinney, August 8th. It's about 10 o'clock, 9 something in the morning time. And let me show you what I found where the leak is. So we can tell that up in here that the leak is very pinpointed. There's no leak trails running from the rafters up above. It is very pinned right in this area. What I see when I work my way up, you're going to start to see the discoloration in this area right here on this board. You can start to see some swelling up there of the wood. And so when I do that, as I come up and over, start to see some sagging in the decking going on right here. And then as you look further, right above that leak spot is going to be right here. So whoever installed these shingles or did whenever they put this on, there's a gap right here between the shingles, and underneath that is gonna be the underlayment, and every time it rains, runs right down this past all these shingles, and then it's running to that rafter. Most likely it's getting on this decking. You can see this big sag in this decking area, and then it's running and then it's coming down that rafter probably right below this. Now the other possibility might have been because this caused the decking to sag, but we also have some lifting of shingles that are going on, and all these shingles that have nails on there. So we got a bunch of them that are poking out right now. All of these right here, all of these nails are just poking up through the shingles. They were either never nailed all the way down. I'm not sure what happened. I have not seen this many that have popped up. Here's the other problem, is that whenever you install a patio cover, or you in a valley area, the slope with the most ability to create the water, the steepest or the largest, has to be the slope of shingles that are on top. In this case, what happened is they just left, they kept this, they didn't want to tie into it, and they just laid this on top. And the problem is that every time it rains, water is running down and underneath this area. This is supposed to be on top so the water can kick out and flow down off, but this valley design is incorrect. This slope has to be on top of this one, okay? The valley metal up here is not even all the way up to the shingle, so we do have some water areas that can get in right there. The fasteners are not sealed, and as we run over here, same thing in this area. This valley, when they tied it in, they did it incorrectly. They kind of did it underneath here. It's very bunched up. It's not sitting straight, so lots of buildup, lots of stuff that can happen, lots of ways for water to get in. And the same thing for this one. This slope was not done correctly either. This slope has to be on top of this slope, okay? So what we'll do is we'll get together a plan of action how to get this taken care of for you.